everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all the most amazing marble cake recipe you'll try. This one is so light, so fluffy, and it has a really good crumb. So if you'd like to see how to make this amazingly moist marble cake, keep watching. So in my bowl I have my butter and I'm adding in oil. The oil is the secret. In goes my sugar, and we're going to cream this until it's light and fluffy. Once it's light and fluffy, we're going to add in our eggs one at a time. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. It really does make a difference. Next goes in my vanilla, and I like using this clear vanilla, and milk. I'm using milk. If you don't want to use whole milk, you can use coconut milk or almond milk. Give that a mix. You can even use orange juice or pineapple juice in place of the milk. Once it's been mixed in, add in your flour. In goes the salt, baking powder and baking soda, cake spice. You guys have to get your hands on this. It's really amazing. Now we're going to mix that into the wet ingredients. You want to mix it, but don't over mix it. Just allow it to come together, and once it comes together, you're going to stop. This is the consistency you're looking for, that nice soft consistency. If it's not soft, you'll have to add a little more milk to thin it out. So now we're going to divide our batter into thirds, and we're going to start to color the batter. We're going to be leaving one set white. I'm calling this set a peach. And I'm using gel coloring for this, but you can also use powdered coloring or liquid food coloring. Just use whatever you have on hand. Once that one was mixed in, I'm going to do the second one, which is a teal color, and mix that in. When using gel, go a little shy, as the gel tends to be a little more stronger and the colors are more vibrant, so you don't want to add too much. Once those were mixed in, we're going to take our cake pan, and this is going to give you a really big long cake, or you could make it into a circle if you wanted to. Pour the white batter out and spread it out evenly. Next, dollop your colors. So I'm going in with the blue first, and leave a space in between them, and then dollop the pink. Now I went for teal and pinky coral. Use whatever colors you have on hand, as I said. Next, take a knife or a spatula and start swirling those colors together. And once you swirled it in properly, don't over swirl it, guys. If you do, it will become very muddy and you're not going to see a pattern. So just swirl it enough like this until it all comes together, and then it goes into the oven to bake. 325 for 1 hour and 10 minutes it took. Once it comes out, you'll notice that the ends of the cake come away from the pan itself, and that's how you'll know it's done. You can also take your skewer and check the middle of the cake. Make sure when it comes out, it's nice and clean and it's not gooey. If it's gooey, it needs more cooking. So once this cools down, we can go ahead and cut into it. And I can tell you it's a really soft, delicate cake, so you want to be very gentle with it. So I'm cutting mine into squares, and then all you have to do is take out from one corner. It comes out really easily, and look at that. Look at the swirls, look at those colors. It looks green on top, but it's teal on the inside. It has this pinky corally color, and it's so soft. So soft, so moist, and it was absolutely delicious with that cake spice. Just look at it here. Even the next 2 days it remained soft. That's how amazing this was. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. You can use this to make a plain sponge cake also. You don't have to put colors in it. And if you wanted to, you could make this chocolate and vanilla. So feel free to play around with the recipe. So if you guys enjoyed it, comment down below and let me know if you make it. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen again today. Do continue to stay safe and have a happy holiday season. Bye guys.